All right, see, bring me a screw. Yeah. All right, y'all, Coop build part 3. So, y'all, with chicks, our chicks are here. I'm gonna put them in a different video because they're just too amazingly cute and wonderful, and everything in this world that is wonderful and sweet and darling and cute. Y'all, we're Coop building number 3. We got all the supplies we need, pretty much, I think, I hope, and it's coming along. I just finished up this one side wall today. I just needed, you know, a long piece and a little short piece. I already had the wire up, stapled that down, saw and screw. And now, before I call it, I have to do this project in little bits and pieces because of these guys. So before I call it a day, I need to make a perch for my little chicks inside. All right, so this is a little bit of scrap from the new lumber I had to buy. So I just made 2 blocks because they're the same right size. And then there was this. I sawed this into a little short size that'll fit in my brooder for my baby chicks. And then I'm just gonna screw this into the little stand and they'll have a little roost so my little baby birds can perch. I just cannot get over, like, if you give me an old shed full of scraps and all sorts of crazy stuff, I will transform scraps and old crazy stuff into something nice. I love having materials to work with. That's why I get stuff off the curb. I'm always going to the thrift store. I just hunt and then elevate what I find and build new things, and it fulfills something deep within me. Anyway, I'm making a little chick perch right now. Back wall is coming together, so we got this much of the bottom wall done. Up here on the top, we finally got this up, so now I can staple all the wire into place. Where you see solid boards, that's going to be the night roof. So that's going to be an enclosed area. In the winter, we stuff it with straw, that kind of stuff. That's where they're going to sleep. And then this is like their run. So, I'm just going to do a bunch of stapling. and that'll be the front wall of the coop. It's a big, long, 10.5-foot beam. The coop is 10.5 feet long. That's my assistant. He helped me fix up a lot of this fixer-upper, the $20,000 fixer-upper. Check that playlist out on my YouTube channel page, because it's a whole thing. Anyway, the coop. He's helping me with the coop. He's such a good helper. How old are you, baby?
12.
12 years old. I homeschooled him, and then through 4th grade. Then he went to school 5th grade, and now he's in middle school, and he is thriving. If you're wondering how Tom's doing, he's thriving. My phone is right there filming if you need to call 911 for any reason.
What?
All right, so kind of push it up against the side. Okay, no. That should be good enough. Just try to hold still now.
I am. Is it in?
Almost. Gotta get it up a little. All right, stay right there. You can bring it down a little. All right, see, bring me a screw. Yeah.
Why did it go off?
No one
So
behind.
you crank that soldier on me. You crank that soldier. Alright, Bob the Builder.
Another one, please.
I have brought Mini Bob the Builder.
All right, see, I want you to come here.
Are there any stools I can
Come here.
lay
I'll put your
upon?
hand right here and just push it up against. Just push it this way. No, like this, towards here.
I got your
Not up.
line.
Just like that. Yes.
Well, I drive past your street.
Nice shaking.
Okay. Good job.
A bit scary.
So, a lot of things are a little bit scary. All right, it's getting real creative at this point. These are like an old bunk bed frame that was like on this property when we moved here. It's really good wood. It's been sitting outside. It's great wood. So I'm now sawing it into pieces to build this coop. All right, then the little coop, the little house within, is coming
I
in.
love it.
Every day we get a little bit more done until this is going to be a solid structure. Baby's napping for a minute. Now, I love the look of this back wall, but that's inside the coop, so it's not as visible if you're just looking from the outside. This outside wall of the little night house, I'm going to try and do the same look to tie it together as these guys. This is exactly what I wanted. I got one little half of this wall up, and now the baby's up from his nap, so I gotta run. Drip by drip the bucket fills, y'all. Drip by drip the bucket fills. it is really coming along, y'all. It is really coming along. We've got so much done. I love how it's looking aesthetically. I'm very pleased with the project. It pleases the artist inside of me. Like, y'all know I like to paint my cars. This is the same kind of feeling. And you know, I was fixing up the house for a long old time, and it just feels good to be back out here creating something. And I love my birds. And the next big things I have to finish on the coop is I'm going to build a door. It's going to be wood frame, covered in wire, hinges, and then get that roof on. John's definitely going to need to help me get that roof on, I think. And then, you know, just heading towards chicken coop life. Now, this front area that still looks like a garbage dump, it'll get cleaned up as this project finishes. This front area, I'm calling this the chicken lounge. And so this is a place I can go to sit and watch chickens and of course the children, and get some nice seating, some flowers, and we'll hang out in the chicken lounge and watch our chickens. So dream a little dream and make it come true, y'all.